don't need me, no, don't you want me? I know I can't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's much late to find when you think of changing mind, and we could change it back, or you'll both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh. Thank you very much. Moving on to our next song, something entitled Who Can It Be Now? Now let me see your hands. Just come on, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody. Thank you very much. Who can it be knocking at my door? Go away, don't come around no more. Can't you see that it's late at night? I'm very tired and I'm not feeling right. All I want is to be alone. Stay away, don't you invade my home. Best off if you hang outside. Go away, I wanna run and hide. Who can it be now? 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 Who can it be knocking at my door? Make no sound to across the room. If you hear someone like all day, I'll be found and tear eyes can say I make no harm, I keep to myself. There's nothing wrong to say no mental health. I'm good here with my childhood friend. Here they come, you'll see if I can. Who can it be now? 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 I say they come, maybe take me away. Why do they follow me? It's not the future that I can't see. It's just my fantasy. Oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to Eva on the saxophone tonight. Then also give a round of applause to Mr. Wheatley on guitar. Thank you very much. Dankeschön, muchas gracias.